All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is August 27th, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Let's take a look at some charts to see what happened in the market today. And what do we got here? We'll take a look at the SPY. On the 10-minute in the SPY, we have, well, I'm just going to call it, it's flat. It's not up or down, but it is bullish. As bullish consolidation. If you're in the futures, this thing looks higher. Stop underneath here or here. This thing looks higher into the 6 o'clock hour and even right into the 8 o'clock hour. They're probably waiting until 4:15 and then they'll probably pop it after that. So we look higher overnight. We look higher into the evening. Into the morning, I don't know. We'll see what the economic data says, but this is very bullish consolidation. They were in the buy box for, I don't know, probably 20 candles there. I don't know, 20 10-minute candles. So nice work on the bulls holding the price. There it is. That's what I talk about all the time. It is move up and hold the higher ground, and that's what they did. Nice work. All right, for the 2-hour chart, I think we got a 2-hour uptrend. Not positive. Let's take a look at a clean chart. All right. And we have a 2-hour uptrend going into the close. So we got kind of like a bullish 10-minute uptrend, 2-hour uptrend. Daily chart. We put a lower high and a lower low, but closed over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. SPY is still in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend on the weekly, on the 2-day, on the 3-day, on the weekly, on the monthly. We are in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend on the 2-hour and the 10-minute. All time frames, we're pretty much in an uptrend except for maybe the minute. All right, so there's SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. And QQQ, ever since it broke this high, has been in an uptrend. Today's price action, same as SPY. Lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap. SPY closed outside, above the bullish trap. Inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Nice bull flag there. I like it when they go up and they come back like 12 degrees, kind of like a little slant right there, because that readies the next move to the higher ground. All right, so like that. Q's moving up, holding the higher ground, like that. QQQ, uptrend. SPY, uptrend. FNGU. FNGU had its struggles today. All right, price action for FNGU. FNGU is in an uptrend. All right, ever since they broke this high. They will not be in a downtrend until they break this low, or they make a low and then take that low out. Okay, so that would be FNGU. Price action, little pretty much same as SPY and QQQ, but in different position. Lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. FNGU still in an uptrend. Diamond Dow, which made a new all-time high yesterday. Price action, lower high, lower low, closing over the bullish trap. Also uptrend over the 17 EMA. IWM. All right. Price action, lower high, lower low. They all put in lower highs and lower lows. Closing in various positions according to the trap. Closing, lower high, lower low, closing looks like right on top of the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. So there's IWM still in a downtrend. It's coming close though. They only got a little bit further. They got to take out that top right there and they'll be in an uptrend. So there's IWM. Let's take a look at our technicals. T2122. Well, we got tossed out of the overbought zone. And we stuck out the day inside the buy zone. Not too bad. Not too bad. T2123. Green. Wait. Couple of red candles. Now it looks like one red candle. And then a melting up of green all day long. Okay. That's a melt up. All right. Still a lot of space between 200 SMA and the price action. Like that. 3-bar chart, again, melting up. 3-bar chart, we got 3 more green candle bars. 17 EMA is closing in on the space between price and the exponential moving average. Still moving further and further away from this rising 200 SMA like that, and getting closer and closer to the all-time highs up there. Okay, so FNGU, which had its struggles today, did break below the rubber band candle, but did not hold the lower ground. So that's pretty good, but I still don't like the break. But anyways, here we got FNGU, a little selling at the beginning of the day, then a rally, pull back to VWAP, and then they just kind of stuck it out until looks like 2 o'clock, and then they just had a meltdown from there. Okay, so red, green, red, green, red, green. Nothing but slop on FNGU. We need FNGU to have that robust rally. Could we be setting up an inverse head and shoulders? We'll see. That would be the head. That would be a shoulder. Looking for another shoulder over here. We'll see what happens. So there's FNGU on the 15-minute. Let's go back and take a look at a few sectors. Start off with precious metals, silver. Silver putting in outside day, higher high, lower low. Closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver in an uptrend. Gold also in an uptrend. And gold is, I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to call it a lower high and a lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA right there. Okay, so that was an all-time high right here. And we have not made another new all-time high, but we are incredibly close to making another new all-time high. There's GLD. Like to see the consolidation, and then I think we get a breakout up there. Let's take a look at UNG. UNG is in an uptrend, but it doesn't know it. UNG, this is the all-time low right here. That's the all-time low. This over here was the high that put it into, taking out that high right there, put it into an uptrend. Ever since they took out that high, they've been just melting away. Price action got a lower high, lower low, closing underneath the bearish trap, underneath the 17 EMA, and about to challenge the all-time low here, which will bump it out of uptrend into a downtrend if they take out that low. So there's UNG on the daily chart. USO also uptrend. Okay, USO price action, lower high, lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Okay, USO still in an uptrend, consolidating here. Let's take a look at XLI. Okay, XLI made a new all-time high yesterday. Price action still bullish. Okay, got a little lower high, higher low, but over the bullish trap over the 17, so still bullish. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH still an uptrend ever since they took out this high right here. SMH lower high, lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17, still uptrend there. XLK, same thing. Ever since they took out this high, they've been in an uptrend. Okay, price action, same as SMH, lower high, lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Technology is in an uptrend. Industrials are in an uptrend. Semiconductors are in an uptrend. XLF made new all-time highs yesterday. And XLF made new all-time highs today. Okay. New all-time highs for XLF. Okay. And let's take a look at IYT. That's very good. IYT. Something looks like it's... Oh, yeah, IYT's in an uptrend now. All right. IYT put in a lower high, lower low, closing inside a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. IYT is in an uptrend. So we got financials in an uptrend. Transports, which is the critical one for me, because that just shows us products and services are being moved around the country or being shipped overseas. So I like to see when the transports are in an uptrend, we can have a really robust rally. I think we're waiting on a little bit of economic data here. One of them being NVIDIA earnings coming out tomorrow night, along with Salesforce. and the other one is GDP, which I do not expect to be bad at all, given the falling dollar, and that's coming out Thursday morning. So we got back-to-back economic events. Not quite. One's an earnings event, one's an economic event, but they're both gonna play a little bit of volatility onto the market. So we got transports are in an uptrend. You got T2123. That's an uptrend. Big bull flag, long wavy bull flag right up there, over the prior all-time highs and challenging this year and the all-time high right there. So that's working for us. Transports, financials, and we got technology is also in an uptrend. So we got industrials in an uptrend, financials in an uptrend, transports in an uptrend, T2123 is in an uptrend. The sad thing is we can have all of that in an uptrend, but if we don't get participation from FNGU, we might not go anywhere. That's the sad thing. Okay, even though all of that is in an uptrend, those 10 securities inside FNGU are so weighted inside these indices, okay, that if they don't participate in this robust rally, we could just be, standing still in the water, a sailboat with no wind. That's what it will be like. Okay, so need the FNGU to get in gear. I think Nvidia could kick that off. If they have good earnings, that should last for 3 days. Typically, you get a breakout move and then some continuation with it, maybe even 5 days. That would be enough to get the ball going, because that would carry FNGU up higher. All right, so we got all eyes on NVIDIA earnings coming tomorrow night. All right, so if they report good, we should see probably 3 to 5 good buying days of NVIDIA, of people chasing price action and the earnings, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And that should drag FNGU up, and that would definitely help lift SPY and QQQ. All right, and I'm pretty sure GDP is going to come in good anyway. So, I'm not really worried about GDP. I'm really worried about NVIDIA. All right, so that's it. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. Thank you. Didn't get much trading, but we got a few trades in. All right, so I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Thanks, Alan, Bobby, everybody, Judy, Stefan, Brad, as always. Yep, thank you. Brian, if you're out there, hope you had a good day. It was a tough day. Didn't get much follow through, and back and forth over the pivot was rough. Yep, Ram, I hope you did well. All right, so again, I do 15-minute consultations. They usually last for much longer than 15 minutes, and I record it so you don't have to take notes. You can just concentrate on what we're talking about, and you can bring me your bad trades, and we can drill down and look at them to see what we can do. For a lot of you, I think it's just obeying your stops and taking quality setups. All right, so take those quality setups off the support areas and not right underneath resistance. Okay, so if you want something, if you want some one-on-one time with me, I'm here. All right, all you got to do is send me a little message, send me an email or something. We'll get together and we'll knock it out. Let's get you back on the right track. All right, Vern, awesome. I love it, Vern. I'm proud of you. I'm grateful. Very good, Vern. All right, so that's it for me for today. I will see you all tonight in the free room. I'm going to do another webinar tonight if you want to join me. If not, it will be recorded. It will be available for all trial members, non-members, all trial members and regular members. All right, so I'll see you guys either 8 o'clock tonight or 8 o'clock tomorrow. All right, everybody have a great evening. Thank you.